really work because I was on the edge of the table, but oh, there is a bubble, and it popped. Or deflated. Right, next is the last and final and the best part.
I love this part.
Flick it to get all the glitter. Then cut here. Now, hello. Oh, some of it's going on. Whoa. I like how it's got like a goldy tint, like unlike my other ones that I've got. Great, so the other ones that I've got is, I've got this pink one, which is Pinky Promise. And then I have these two, which I'll check what they're called. Here they are. So I've got that's it. Look on here. Here they all are. So I've got I've got a check on here real quick. I've got a I'm pretty sure it's the Zeno of Zen on it, and it's an ultra rare, and then I've also got the chilled out Aku, but it's not got the right charms in because like it was not a single. And then down here is Pinky Promise. Down here is this one's my favourite, and I like this one. And then my new one. Oh. This up for a minute. Rolly, rolly, rolly. Now stretch. Can you see all the tiny bits of glitter? Wow. Stretch. Destin, you saved the gui-gui sign. Thanks for making it with me. Bye.